Yeah, what are you guys doing? Is this your first arts and crafts? Yeah, is that fun? Yeah? Okay, huh? Alright, good job, Sissy. Here, can you put some on here too? Oh, yeah, put some on this one. Good job, baby. Here, let's put it on here. Oh, yay. What about this one? Can you do this one? Oh, fun. Can you do this one, Sissy? Huh? Oh, fun. Yay. Get the top of this one. Can you get the top of it? Oh, the whole thing. You do the whole thing. Yeah, keep going. Good job. Here, can you do this one? A little bit on there. Yeah, get your hands in here. Put it on here. Uh-oh. That is so fun. Huh? Yeah? Is that a good time or what? Are you all done? Yeah, did you get your guide made? So pretty. Oh yeah, keep going. Okay, I think these are done. Here, can you put your hand on here again? Okay. There you go. That's not really what I wanted. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. Let's put these over here now. Are you finished? Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. Right. You got fun? Here. Let's just get our hands clean for a minute, okay? While we're playing, oh yeah, get your hands in here. Yeah. Alright, Sissy, can we get your hands in here? Yours aren't as bad as Sissy's. Okay, let's go take a bath. Huh? You got fun? Keep going. Keep doing it. Oh, okay, well, I mean, sure. Thanks. Oh, man, alive. Is that good? That's disgusting, girls. Oh, that's gross. Here, watch this. You want to do one of these guys? You put him in the paint and go boop, boop, boop. Huh? Oh, the floor's wet. That's awesome. Okay. All done. Thank you. All you girls did so good. Yeah. Right. Okay, who wants to go take a bath? Huh? Yeah.